G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's food review time, and today I've got a special PayPal request from one of my big old fans, Samuel. He wanted me to try Hilary Duff's favourite Subway order. Now, if you don't know who Hilary Duff is, well, don't worry mate, neither do I. But anyway, he wanted me to try her order. Now, her order is white bread, turkey, mayo, lettuce, pickle, olive, salt, pepper, white cheese, olive oil, vinegar, and tomato. Not toasted. So I'm going to go in and grab that order like Samuel and his girlfriend Erin suggested I should. Let's go get it. Alright, well here we go. Samuel and Erin's PayPal request, the Hilary Duff Subway Sandwich. Let's take a look at it. Oh, yum! Oh boy! By the way, I got the foot long. It cost $10.75. Oh, mate. I haven't seen one that big since this morning when I was... never you mind. But it looks very impressive. So we got the turkey there, the cheese, the mayo, and the lettuce, olive oils, pickles, lettuce, oils. Oh, yeah. Looks so good. And by the way, that white cheese that they wanted me to get, it's called cheddar. Now, this does have turkey on it, and I'm wondering if it's real turkey, just like their real tuna. It's probably chicken. Okay, well, let's go. Ooh, tastes so nice and fresh. Oh, mousy, looks like you're getting some too. But I must say, those flavours in there are really blending in nicely. I haven't really got any taste of the pickles yet, but there might be a bit of juice there that I'm getting and I'm not realising it. The olives, I mean, they always taste good, even though they're the cheap, nastiest ones that you can probably buy. But I think the thing that really makes this taste good is that mayo that's on it. It's not overly complicated. It's nice and fresh. The tomato adds a nice moisture along with the lettuce there. And there's a real creaminess with that mayo and cheese together that just blends in really nicely. Now, the thing I think I really appreciate about this is, well, you know, the old Grego is a bit of a cheapskate. So whenever I order something, I always try and get it as stacked full of all the veggies and whatever they offer as much as I can on there because I want to get my money's worth. But what I've discovered with this is maybe less is more, and you can actually taste all the other things if there's less of them. And, well, I'm really enjoying this. Now, Samuel and Erin did want me to give it a score out of 10, so I'm wondering what it's going to be. Well, value-wise, $10.75 for a foot-long sanger. Normally, if you're going to get a foot-long, it's going to cost you about $200 an hour. But $10.75 for a really decent feed, that's all right. The flavours of this, they were really nice. They blended in well and it all came together nicely, and I just thought it was a really tasty and fresh tasting sandwich. It was really nice. It made me feel better about myself on the outside as well as the inside. I'm not embarrassed to eat it, even though I don't know who Hilary Duff is. I imagine her eating 10 of these a day and she's still as skinny as a rake. It's a really nice blend. It's nice, light, easy and healthy. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Hilary Duff Subway Sandwich, it's getting an 8.2 out of 10. I thought it's really nice. It's really refreshing. It tastes really good. And I think it's the first time I've ever ordered white bread from Subway. Normally I go something really fancy like herb, or maybe even Italian. Or is that Italian herb? It's probably the same one. Either way, which one it is, that's the one I usually get. It's usually a bit healthier. I'm sure they're all full of sugar anyway. Apparently they are. Who knows, mate? But I'll tell you what, it's a really tasty sanger. And I think you might have converted me to getting less stuff on my Subway next time instead of all of it. Learn to combine things, not just be a greedy guts. So thanks very much, Sam and Erin, for your suggestion. I think it's really good. If you've got a PayPal request you'd like me to do, let me know. Links below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I do a viewer's request. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the